Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding and most attractive collection of crochet women outfit ideas. You can see different style, different color combination, also same color also in front of you. You can see crochet top designs, crochet skirt designs, crochet scatter designs, full sleeve dresses, half sleeve dresses, quarter sleeve, also jacket designs, sweater designs, and many more things also. So dear friends, you know crochet is always beautiful and always expensive, trendy and stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me. So dear friends, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designer as you can order and get amazing collection of crochet women outfit ideas and others like crochet women top designs, crochet women scarter designs, crochet women cap shawl, panjo designs, and circular jacket designs, crochet women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, purse designs, and many more. And also crochet baby frog designs, baby pancho designs, caplet designs, baby cap designs, baby shoes designs, baby romper designs, and in jewelry crochet women necklace designs, earring designs, finger rings, and bracelet also, and crochet feet all feet jewelry like crochet anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and many more things. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. You can get order and amazing stylish collection of your choice. You can get the amazing and stylish crochet women outfit ideas from your relatives who live in Pakistan. We live in Pakistan. So dear friends, always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video, how was the design? So dear friends, please keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with the new collection.